So this is our homepage where you can see we have the questionnaires and the links. So if you are new to this, scroll down and click on register here, and you will be given a dashboard where you need to log in with your password, or if you are new, you need to register, put in your email address and password and click on register. And currently I already registered, so I'll put my email address. So here is my dashboard. You can check out, I have enrolled for the Bank Nifty free course, and also I have enrolled for technical analysis. And this pink marker will give you the progress. As you can see, technical analysis, I completed more than 80% here. So, and also I have a membership. Each and every student will get the dashboard where they can check out the order history, notification and all. So how do I get enrolled into the blogging course? So you need to click on blogging. So when you click, you can see the notification, course enrollment success. Congratulations, you have enrolled in blogging course. So you can scroll down and welcome to the advanced learning management system. So here is the outline of the course. We have the introduction, we have launch your blog modules, we have design your blog modules. So these are the training content of this blogging course. And so to take the best advantage of LMS, kindly mark complete for each lesson after watching. To get started, click on continue button. Click on get started. So this is our first lesson. What is a blog? On the right side you have a dashboard. When you click on this icon, you will be redirected to your dashboard, and here is a course milestone, and this is a course curriculum, and you can see we have a lot of things to cover to complete in this course. So we just play this video. So now the video start playing. You can read some of the instruction about the definition of blog, and you have some special note. To improve the learning experience, you need to complete some activities and assignments on the way, and you need to mark complete for each lesson completed. So you can check out our blog of trade psychology, where we have some blogging tools and resources. You can scroll down and also check out our blog post published. So once the lesson is completed, you can click on mark complete, and you'll be directed to the next lesson. Your progress will be tracked, and you can see you completed and you moved to the next lesson, how much money you can make blogging. So I completed around 4.5% now. So you can watch the video and you can start reading the content. We have also the related articles to study in detail, and also we have some content like India's top blog earners. We have an infographic on showcasing who are the top blog earners, and so on. This is about the blogging course, which is very interactive, and we have a lot of case studies, articles along with the course, and hope you will enjoy this course in trade psychology. And anytime you can click on dashboard to go back, and here you are, you have the dashboard, and you can see we have a blogging course which is enrolled. So you can access this anytime with your username and password. You can log in and you can sign out, and that's it, you're logged out. So this is how the trade psychology dashboard works, and you can click on sign in option also to directly sign in and log in and access your dashboard to start learning your favorite courses in trade psychology platform.